Hello students and parents. As we approach the end of 2022, we would like to express our deepest appreciation for all your tremendous support over the past year. Learning is a journey and not a destination. Here at Mind-Stretcher, we are glad to have the opportunity to walk this path with our students and to help them to blossom and realize their full potential.
一分耕耘一分收获。2022，我们挥洒了汗水，收获了成绩；表达了真诚，收获了友情；传递了善良，收获了快乐；学会了坚持，收获了希望。
I believe everyone has been looking forward to today, where safety measurements have been eased and borders have begun to open. As for Mind-Stretcher, we are able to see our students' bright faces, beaming smiles and upbeat energy when they come for lessons, be it online or physical.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mind-Stretcher.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mind-Stretcher, and all those who have supported me in making my learning journey very fruitful and enriching.
我觉得Mind-Stretcher管理得很好，就是从各方面，从你们的教学，从你们的logistic，OK，从你们的各位老师，还有工作人员哈，都是给我们一个给家长一个形象整体的认知很好。
All this can only be achieved by the endless support, understanding, and contribution from all of you, be it the teachers, the parents, the students, and all staff of Mind-Stretcher.
让我们带着2022的快乐与幸福，充满信心地迎接2023。在新的一年里，祝各位同学都有清晰的目标，成绩突飞猛进，所得皆所愿。
With perseverance and discipline, the impossible can become possible. Here's wishing you a successful year ahead. Happy New Year!